And they're 3 inches. And I want the center of my pull at 36 inches. So half of 3 is 1.5 inches. So I've measured from the floor up to this line 37.5, so that when I install my pull at the top of that line, the center of the pull will be at 36 inches. And there's my 37.5. That's where I want the top of this. And I measured 2.25 to my center. So I just lay it in there, even with that line, and lined up in the center. And I just took my pencil and traced around it, not around the rectangle, around that oval. So I know my router has got to cut that out. I have to cut it this deep or deeper. And I don't want the router to go out past this rectangle, or that's going to look bad. Also, I don't want to try to cut the entire depth. So I'm just going there, just under 1/4 inch each time, and I'll do it in 2 passes. So there's pass 1, nice and clean. Fits perfectly. Okay, there's the second pass, deep enough. Fits perfectly. Sometimes these things attach with screws, sometimes they have nails, sometimes you just glue them in. Sometimes they can be darn near impossible. These come with small screws. I'll pre-drill that a little bit, and then I just use a micro Phillips head to screw that in, and it's no problem. I'll go put the door back and do the other 3. Okay, pulls are all in. Time to put in our bottom guides.